We're back with another awesome property here in Medellin, Colombia. This one is located in Provenza. As we walk into this apartment, we see the little living room area. Don't mind my client there. I was doing the walkthrough with a client here and our assistants, and there is the kitchen. This is a great apartment for a couple of reasons. Number one, the price. Number two, the location. Really, this location is amazing. It's just a few blocks away from Provenza, and it was recently remodeled. As you can see, the showers, even that back area, which I'm going to walk to right now, which is kind of like the laundry room area, has been redone. It looks really nice and clean. Definitely can fit a stackable washer dryer unit there. So this is basically the shared or common bathroom here. And as we go into this little hall here, you will go into the first room, which has a queen size bed there. And it has, look at the view. Wait until we see the view. That's going to be the other awesome part about this apartment here. That's a linen closet. And then we're going into the master bedroom. That's the master walk-in closet, which doesn't have a door, which I thought was pretty interesting. You could put a door there if you wanted to, but I think it makes the room even look bigger. So this is easily fits a king size bed in here. They have a desk in there as well. This is the master bath. Again, this was recently remodeled, so not a lot of new stuff that you'd have to put into this. And we're gonna walk back out and we're gonna take a look at the view over here, which is the best part of this apartment right here. Look at this thing. And that's Provenza right there. The nightlife, everything is right next door to you, but you're high enough. You're on the 23rd floor. You're high enough so that you don't get any of that noise, but you're close enough that you could walk to all of the bars, all of the restaurants. The nightlife that goes on in Medellin all happens in Provenza, which is really nice. The asking price on this one is $234,000 US dollars. The square meters are 88, so it's 88 square meters, and that comes out to be in square feet, about 947 square feet, just shy of 1,000. It has a 24-hour security guard downstairs with a lobby. It's got a pool, it's got a gym, it's got parking spaces and a storage unit. And again, this is on the 23rd floor of a 23-story building, so you're the top floor. I showed it to this client right here, and I'm showing it to a few others, so I don't think this one's gonna stay on the market very long. If you'd like to see this one or make an offer right away, all you gotta do is click on the link in the description to our form, fill it out, and somebody on our team will get back to you.